Hey y'all, have you been practicing singing your intervals? Have you been practicing hearing your intervals? If you have, then you're ready for this video. And if you haven't, still, don't worry, you're still ready. You're ready. In our last videos, we did melodic ascension, which means we done, baby. We did it. And now it is time for this melodic descension. When we have melodic ascension, many times it's great to think of the beginning of a song. And sometimes this works for melodic descension too. But in this special case, we're going to be focusing on ends of songs or ends of phrases or ends of melodies for melodic descension. Because for dissensions, they go down. And typically, when you have a melody, there we go. When you have a melody, they typically go from low to high and then back down again, just like a rainbow. Put those little clouds on the ends. I see my cat is calling me, so we're going to do some cat adventure. Hey there, buddy. Hey, babe. What's up? Yeah? You just want attention? I was having a difficult time trying to find a song that we could use to show re, do, this major second descending interval. But I was able to think of a concept. Typically, whenever I'm writing music and I have re, do involved, it means that I have a little bit of a sighing motion. Also, because re loves to go down to do when it comes to becoming more stable. Re is typically not a stable note when it comes to melodies. The most stable notes in melodies are do, mi, and sol. So I like to sing re, do, just as a little sigh, and listen out for that in music to recognize that, oh, we have a re, do motion. We have a descending major second motion. What does this sound like? For many of us, it may sound like our doorbell. So that's a reference I like to use when it comes to knowing the mi do distance, which is a major third. I have become completely amazed at how difficult it is searching on Google for any do, re, mi, fa, so sequence and actually finding something. So I think I may make a blog at some point so that this can actually be something people can find. Nonetheless, I was trying to find something for fado. Fado. And I thought, oh, I think there's a song that's out there that goes fa, do, re, do, ti, do, la, do, fa, do, re, do, la, do. I don't know where that song's from. If you know, please tell me in the comments. I'd love to know. If you don't, that's okay. I don't know either. But this is a great progression I like to think of. Fa, do, fa, do, re, do, la, do. It really helps me hear this interval. Fa, do, fa, do. Back in composition class, they used to teach us that descending melodies typically have symbolism of a sigh. So many times I think of various different descending intervals as different ways of sighing. You can have little sighs, you can have bigger sighs, you can have really big sighs. And using that has helped me not only remember these different intervals when I'm listening out for them, but it's also given me a mental health connection to the music because I think of sighing as a sign of peace, a sign that, oh, I feel good right now. I feel comfortable. I feel okay. And it also helps me when I'm listening to music to think, okay, this is a moment where that composer, possibly, depending on the context, is trying to tell me that they feel good, they feel in peace, and they want me to feel peace also while I'm listening to it. So I hope that this helps you out when you're listening to music in the car, on the radio, on your streaming network, wherever you're listening to music. And I hope you were able to get something out of this for mental health as well as for your music development. This has been Imanni from Imanni Music. I hope you have a mentally healthy rest of your day. Bye. And yes, we will be continuing with these descending intervals on the next video.